So we basically can see that they have 1.1 million visits, bounce rate is 61, and the page per visit is like around 3, average duration 2 minutes. They're being around for a while, and we can see that majority of their traffic comes from United States, Canada, and UK. And besides their competition, we can see that majority of traffic comes from the search, which is not a big surprise, but also they do use display ads and not so much social, and email is like 0.5%. As usual, people are Googling the name of a company because they can't remember this or can't spell it properly, so they end up putting like top 3 search requests are actually branded. And moving forward, it's all about Rolex as expected. And what else we can see, those are the gallery of their display ads. And okay, so the social network distribution, they got traffic from YouTube, like a lot, Pinterest, which is interesting, Reddit. I will explain why Reddit, because in this space there is a bunch of well-known forums and communities, and watches listed on the site are also listed there, so that's why Reddit. But what's going on with LinkedIn, this is interesting. So they probably somehow figured out how to get good cost per click on LinkedIn. I would be curious to learn more about it.